Want to build advanced responsive tables in WordPress? That too, without touching a single line of code? Here is how to do exactly that using TableKit. Before we jump in, make sure two things are ready. First, the TableKit plugin needs to be installed. Second, your site should be using a block theme. To install TableKit, go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard and click Add Plugins. Search for TableKit, then install and activate it. Similarly, install a block theme like Hello Blocks if you don't already have one activated. Once everything's set, open a page or post in the block editor, then search for the Table Builder block and drag it into your layout. At this point, you can either pick a pre-made template or start with a blank table. For this tutorial, we'll start from scratch. First, define your table structure. Set how many rows and columns you need. Choose whether you want a header or a footer. Then click Create Table. Now you can start adding content. Each table cell supports Gutenberg blocks, so you can drop in text, buttons, images, or anything else you need. From the Content tab, you'll find the Settings control. This is where you can control the header and footer visibility. Then enable sorting to let users organize data column-wise. If you want a consistent layout, turn on Fixed Width Cells. Need some breathing room? Disable Border Collapse to manually adjust vertical and horizontal spacing between your cells. When the caption is enabled, set the caption position to the top or bottom of the table. Styling section. Now comes the styling. Under the Style tab, you can customize everything from header and footer styles to columns, cells, and captions. In the Common section, you can adjust colors, alignment, typography, borders, and spacing for the entire table at once. Similarly, for headers, footers, and cells, you can customize those styles individually. Even for a single cell, you have the options to customize. The same goes for the caption as well. For the columns, though, click Add Styles, select a column, and customize its styles individually. TableKit also lets you merge cells. From the top toolbar, click the Merge icon. Then hold Shift and use your mouse cursor or keyboard arrows to select the cells you want to merge. Unmerging works the same way. Need a duplicate column? Just click the duplicate icon in the toolbar and it's done instantly. You can also freeze rows and columns, just like Excel sheets. Go to the Advanced tab and enable the freeze options. Then, from Freeze Settings, you have the options to freeze the header and columns. Then customize the colors for the frozen header and columns. TableKit also comes with advanced conditional formatting. You can highlight columns based on table values. Simply select a column header, set the condition type, and enter the comparison value. Then apply formatting like text color, background color, and so on. You can apply the condition for a single cell, an entire row, or an entire column. And if you want to move even faster, you can skip all of this and start with a template. When creating a table, click Choose, browse the templates, and pick the one that you need. That's how you build flexible, responsive tables in Gutenberg without fighting the editor. With TableKit, your tables stop being static and start doing real work. Check the link in the description to get started, and subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials.